In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your security token. Security tokens are essential elements in maintaining the safety and privacy of your digital activities. They act as a second layer of security, ensuring that even if someone gains access to your password, it's still difficult to breach your accounts. With step-by-step guidance, let's dive into how you can reset yours effectively. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your account interface. You'll typically find your name displayed in the top right corner of the screen. This is a part of your account menu, which offers various options related to your profile and settings. Clicking your name will reveal a drop-down menu where you can access multiple features available to you. This is a crucial step in customizing your settings or finding specific options quickly. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for an option labeled My Settings. Selecting My Settings will guide you to a dedicated area where you can manage different aspects of your account preferences. This settings area might look different depending on the platform you're using, but its purpose remains the same: to provide you with complete control over your account environment. Now that you're in your settings, direct your attention to the tabs or sections available to you. You should see a section labeled Personal or something similar. The purpose of the Personal tab is to house various options that pertain to your individual user settings, making it a vital area for tailoring your account to suit your personal needs. This section is where you will find the option you need in order to move forward with resetting your security token. Inside the Personal tab, you will see an option named Reset My Security Token. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating a new security token, which is a unique code used by some applications to connect to your account securely. Resetting your security token is especially useful if you think your current token might be compromised, or if you're setting up a new application that requires authorization to access your account. And that's it! Following these steps will ensure your security token is refreshed and your account remains secure. Remember, your security token is a key element in protecting your data and ensuring that unauthorized access is prevented. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your account's security and feel confident that your sensitive information is protected. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to keep your security token confidential and, if necessary, store it in a secure location. Feel free to reach out with any questions or if you require further assistance. Stay safe and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with taking charge of your account's security settings. Until next time.